Hi, Anastasia. I learned how to make this when I was about 9 or 10 or 11. So almost 40 years ago, not quite. So you make the square base with George's face in the center. On this one, I did it with his nose in the center for you because I think that'll work the best. But I usually just guess to make the square. Anyway, then you go to the back and you fold in half and open and fold in half the other way. And I don't know which one goes under, it doesn't matter, I guess. And then you fold the all four corners in. It's kind of like one of those little fortune teller base. And the reason why I'm not putting this on my channel is because I decided I wasn't going to make any square base ones with the dollar just because there's so much, regular square origami. But, you know, I still watch them and stuff. So you get all those folded in, then you turn it over, and you have to do the same thing again. Fold all four corners into the center. So you can teach this however you want, of course. But I think if you make it with your giant $1 bill, it would be really cool. And you'll be the one with this one on there. Yeah, it's kind of tricky to get these exactly centered, but you're way better at it than me, especially at showing how to make them. Okay, so it's coming along. See, it gets kind of thick, and I've made a lot of these for people. And I've tried to show people. I'm not sure if anybody really learned how to make it, after just once. So you get all those, and then let's see, which way do you fold it in half? You fold it in half where George's head is sideways. So you fold it in half like this. And then you open. Oh no, you don't fold it in half. I'm sorry. You bring all these points up. I'd have to remake the video if I put it on my channel, right? Not really. So you get all those 4 points up, and then you flatten it so you have one of those little symbols on the side. Otherwise, you'll have it turned with his head sideways if you flatten it this way. So that's the important part. Then you open these up and bring them down to a square, nice and tight. It's almost done now. Turn over, same thing. And there's an easier way to fold it, but then it's not the square for George's head, so it's not really the same bow tie as this. Now these really thick, sharp corners you fold to the center bottom on both sides, and you make the point of the bow tie right here. So that goes down like that, and make nice points. So I'm sure you can see how to fold this on this quick little video, right? If not, of course, you'll have to let me know. All right, well, it's kind of fun making a video just for you. And I hope you'll decide to share it, and maybe I can get a few subscribers. Some people might be curious for my channel when you mention it. So there you go. You get all the bows folded in. And then when you're making it for someone, the fun part is when you open it and you take a little peek and you see his eyes, so you can turn it upright. And then you open it in front of him. And you have to hold these in really tight while you put your thumbs inside. Don't let these slip. And then you pull it open like that. And then you push these back. And then there's the little tiny George bow tie. Actually, if you don't use his nose at the center, that's right. It comes out better. Just make the square base in the exact center of the dollar. That's right. And then George's face will be over here a little bit more. And it'll be perfect. Okay? And then it stands up too. So, all right. I'll look forward to your video. Thanks. And your four-leaf clover one, that's really cool. Too bad it didn't come out before the St. Patrick Day holiday. You might have to remake it for next year's. All right. Bye-bye.